finding yourself lounging around the sofa too much and you're getting a stiff and sore neck and back, well, I've got just a trick for you, and you can do it with your sofa armrest handy. So what we'll do is going all the way back into the armrest, pop your arms behind your head and then slowly extend back as far as you feel comfortable to go. So you can actually work up or down your back depending on what needs the stretch, and even add a bum lift to try and get that going a little bit more. If that's too much pressure, you can always get a towel or your cushion and then do the same thing, stretching over. So this is also great if you don't have a foam roller handy, so you can stretch it out as far as you can over the edge of the armrest. Then to stretch out a bit more in your upper back, you can pop your chest over the armrest with a cushion supporting it, hands together and behind your back, pressing downwards. Tuck your chin in and keep your chin tucked in as you lift the back of your head up, squeezing your shoulder blades back together, and then slowly lowering it back down. So keeping the chin tucked in, extend to the back of the head and squeeze your shoulder blades back. Hold at the top. And you want to do about 10, maybe even 20 of these, just to start turning on the right muscles. They're a little bit lazy when you're laying around on the couch for hours on end. To make it even harder, you can have your arms out in front of you with thumbs leading the way, and raise your arms as you raise your back so that the arms come in alignment with your ears. So you're lifting and kind of lift to the back of your head as you go. You don't want to go too far that way, otherwise you start to feel it in your lower back. So you just up to the middle part of your back is enough to actually work those postural muscles that get a bit lazy laying around too much. So again, between 10 to 20 of these. Then you're going to pop your hands down here on the sofa edge and then just doing a push-up. And as you're doing this, pull your belly in tight so you're supporting that lower back and just arching through the back, squeezing through the middle blade muscles, so you're working on holding that pencil between your shoulder blades. And you want to, again, 10 to 20 of these. Try these the next time you find yourself lounging too much and getting a bit stiff and sore in your neck, and I'd love to see how you went with that.